this is gotten from the 1688 shop. This is absolutely beautiful trainers. Sell them like 3 pairs. So if you want to shop in the 1688, you are actually very free to shop all of this. What's up, guys? Hi YouTube, hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Right now, if you live in Nigeria, if you are currently in Nigeria and you are into mini importation business, everybody knows that the shipping rates and the dollar rates in Nigeria have actually gone up high, and this is actually affecting our businesses, mini importation business in Nigeria. But one thing you should know that is that actually not going to stop us from shopping for our customers. So this month I got really orders from my customers and I have to deliver it to them. But I said right now I'm going to be unboxing the items that I got from 1688 in China. And I recently cleared, that was last week, I recently cleared 1,570 naira per dollar. And even the custom rates have gone up as well. And I cleared for custom 1,000 naira per kg, unlike the 750 naira and even the 500 naira we did last year. So the only thing that you need to do is, if you have your dollar rates up, you add your items up. If it goes down, you bring your items down. So right now I'm going to be unboxing the latest item that I got from the 1688 shop in China. And Chinese people are definitely one of the highest manufacturing and production company in the world, and they have good items. And what you should know about this is that they hire the money in China, they hire the quality of your items. So right now I'm going to be unboxing this particular shoe. This is one of the products that I got in the Chinese shop, and I love these shoes, the Dr. Martens shoes. And this is the shoes. This shoe is actually very perfect, as you can see. And why I love these shoes is also came with an extra lace, yellow lace shoes, and this shoe is very good. A customer ordered these shoes and they are very perfect, as you can see. I hope you love them. They are very beautiful. I'm going to be showing you another items that I love. This is a sweat shoe. This sweat shoe is also very beautiful. Look at, look at the shoes, look at the heels. They are very fine and so beautiful. I love them. It's an easy wear. Anybody can rock this with your agbada, or you can rock with anything you are comfortable with. This is very beautiful, guys. So right now I'm going to be showing you this shoes. This is an easy wear, and this one is Nike. As you can see, it has the Nike logo here. This is very good. This is very beautiful. I got it from the 1688, and you can also shop from there, guys. They have good items. They hire the money, they hire the quality, and they are actually very fine. And I'm gonna show you another item. This is the first cap I got from there. This first cap also has good quality. It is also very good. This is a black color and this is a white color. Wow, this is so good. I got them from the shop as well. And sunglasses, we all know that this is a very hot weather. People need to cover their shirts with sunglasses. These sunglasses, perfect. I got them like 4 pieces. Look at them here. So it's gotten from the China shop. It also has good quality sunshade. So if you want to start your mini importation business, you can start shopping from 1688 if you don't know how else to do that. And this is one of another easy way that is making money for me. I got this ash, I got this, the milk. So which one do you love most, guys? So you need to rate these items for me. If you love anyone, quickly go to the comment section and click and tell us the one that you love most. For me, I love both of them. So I also want to show you these box of shoes. These shoes are so perfect, as you can see, guys. This is gotten from the 1688 shop. This is absolutely beautiful trainers. So I got them like 3 pairs, as you can see. Look at it here. We got them like 3 pairs. So if you want to shop in the 1688, you are actually very free to shop all of this. there. No matter the number that you want to shop for, you can actually shop for those number. Another item I love so much is these jackets. This is ordered by my customer, and this is actually selling. There's nothing like when something comes and you love them. This is actually very good and so cool in the body. This is very beautiful. Let me show you the red color. This is the red color, and this red color is also very, very perfect. You can see it's a very fine jacket, guys. Wow, I know my customer will be very, very happy to have this. Show you another item, and this is one of the best selling items that I also sell. This is very, very good, and this makes me the most money, guys. This actually sells and is very, very good. I'm using the white color since last year, and I've not been disappointed wearing it. So I also want to tell you to go and shop for this. It's very, very fine, guys. Shop, shop, shop. Another item I love so much to show you is this item. This is a fashion short for fashion men. Wow, this is actually very, very good. Look at this. Look at the combat shorts. Look at the design. This is actually nice, and this is produced by Braless. Braless is the name of this fashion people, the name of the designer. This is actually so beautiful, guys. So in case you want to shop in 1688, 1688 has good items. Some people will tell you, China doesn't have good things. Most of the things that the world is using right now are produced in China. China is one of the biggest production companies in the world. And someone ordered sunglasses. These sunglasses shades are so good, guys. Look at it. It's very, very beautiful. I have them like 4 pieces in case you want to sell for sunglasses. Just like I used to tell you, if you want to start selling sunglasses, jewelries, you will get them very, very well in Chinese shop, guys. This is actually making money for us. The next item that I have to unveil right now is this. Have we finished? These shoes, look at it. The box of shoes is very, very beautiful. This item is very, very perfect and very, very beautiful. They have nice soap, as you can see. So if you want to shop in 1688, they have nice items. The higher the money, the higher the quality. So when you want to shop for some things, make sure that you are checking the money. Don't start looking at for those things that are very, very cheap, because by the time they get here, you might not like them. So that's why most times I normally go for the things that have, higher prices. So right now, I don't know how much dollar is this week, but last week I shipped around 1,570 naira, and even the custom money has also increased to 1,000 naira per kg. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. If you enjoy watching my video, please click on the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady. If you have any question, please ask your question, like and share this video. Thank you. The weather is too hot, guys. Please don't mind my face. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. See you next time.